Imagine the heart of every gathering. The Ilyapa 2-gallon Mason Jar Drink Dispenser is a centerpiece. It holds 2 gallons of your favorite drinks. Its clear glass lets everyone see the vibrant contents. The wide mouth makes filling and cleaning simple. You can add fruit slices easily. The dispenser has a beautiful glass flip-top lid. It keeps your drinks fresh. This design is both practical and stylish. It's a simple, elegant solution for serving beverages. This dispenser is not just for drinks. It's a statement piece. It is perfect for parties. It is also great for weddings. You can use it for everyday lemonade or cold water. The Ilyapa 2-gallon Mason Jar Drink Dispenser is a very useful tool. It simplifies serving drinks. Its strong glass construction ensures durability. It has a sturdy spigot. The spigot provides a steady, drip-free flow. This prevents messes and spills. Furthermore, the dispenser's wide base offers stability. You won't worry about it tipping over. The elegant design fits any decor. It complements a rustic farmhouse theme. It also works with a modern minimalist style. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen. The glass allows you to monitor the level. You will know when to refill it. This ensures your guests are never without a drink. It is a fantastic value for the price. This beverage dispenser is truly a crowd pleaser. It is a silent host at your parties. It serves your guests gracefully. For instance, think of a sunny day. A pitcher of lemonade is served. This dispenser can hold even more. It is a workhorse, but it looks like a star. The Ilyapa 2-gallon Mason Jar Drink Dispenser is a great investment. It is not just a container. It is a convenience and an aesthetic upgrade. All in all, this dispenser delivers on its promises. It is a beautiful and functional product. Therefore, it is highly recommended. Pros: great for daily use, looks classy, no leak, no crack, doesn't drip, assembly was easy, well packed, serves purpose well, big enough for 2 people, great for parties, seller is great, durable, looks nice on its stand, easy to assemble, and clean, holds a good amount, just like the picture's cons. Metal lid starts to chip, coating may not be the best, missing parts upon delivery, damaged upon arrival, spigot is too low for large glasses, 2 gallons is too much for 2 people, gasket had cracks around the hole, features 2-gallon capacity, glass construction, wide mouth opening, mason jar design, glass flip top lid, for parties and weddings, lemonade dispenser, cold water dispenser, easy to fill, easy to clean. This is a 2-gallon glass beverage dispenser designed in the style of a wide-mouth mason jar. It has a glass flip-top lid, making it simple to fill with drinks like lemonade, cold water, or other beverages. The wide opening also makes it easy to clean. This dispenser is great for parties, weddings, and other events. The Ilyapa 2-gallon glass beverage dispenser is a great choice for parties and daily use. Praised for its classy look and durable glass construction, customers love that it doesn't leak or drip and is easy to assemble and clean. However, some buyers have reported issues like missing parts, damage upon arrival, and a metal lid that can chip. While the 2-gallon size is perfect for gatherings, a few users found it to be too large for just 2 people. And the low placement of the spigot can make it hard to fill taller glasses.